In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an n8n workflow that reads and writes Google Sheets and auto-generates descriptions with AI. We'll start inside n8n with a Run Workflow node, which is a manual trigger. This lets you click Execute and run the entire automation on demand. It's perfect while you're building and testing because you don't have to wait for a webhook or any external event. When this workflow starts, it branches into two paths, one that pulls existing data from Google Sheets, and another that creates a sample row you can immediately work with. On the first path, the Get Rows from Google Sheets node reads all rows from your chosen spreadsheet and sheet. This collects the information your workflow may need later, like the topic, the email, and any other fields you've set up. In this build, the topic field is important because we'll feed it to AI to generate a description. Make sure your Google Sheets document and worksheet are correctly selected and that your headers are consistent. On the second path, the Generate One Row of Data node creates a sample entry right inside the workflow. It produces fields such as name, email, topic, and submitted. This is great for testing because it mimics a real submission without exposing any actual personal details. Keep the field names aligned with your Sheets column headers so the data maps cleanly. Next, the Append Data to Google node writes the generated sample as a new row in the spreadsheet. Each run can add a fresh entry, which is handy for storing form submissions, automation results, or any collected data you want to centralize in Sheets. Now we move to the Write Description node, an AI agent that generates text. It takes the topic from the workflow and asks the AI to produce a clear, relevant description. This is ideal for automatic summaries and explanations powered by your existing data. Connected to that agent is the OpenAI chat model node, which provides the language model that actually creates the writing. Think of it as the engine that turns your prompt and topic into polished text. To keep the response tidy, the structured output parser ensures the AI returns a clean field named description. This prevents messy, free-form text from causing issues downstream. Finally, the Update Sheets data node locates the correct spreadsheet row using the email column as the match and writes the AI-generated description into the description column. That way, each entry stores both the original topic and the new description together, ready for reporting, review, or further automation.